Hello there, thank you for tuning in. I'm Angela from artery.com. Just a very short video for you today, and at the end a little bit of a giveaway because every 500 subscribers that I hit, I'm going to, as a thank you, just have a little bit of a giveaway. So more about that later. You know, sometimes when you buy from cheap websites like Temu, AliExpress, places like that, it can be a bit of a gamble. Some things you get are great, some things are mediocre, some things are not great at all. This is in the third category. It's some double-sided tape that I have, and I've had it for a long time, and it's not the worst, but it's not the best. It does work once things are actually stuck down. So I've had it for a while and just never bothered using it. And the reason I don't use it for my cards and things like that is because once I put the tape on, you only really get one chance to get it right, and I never get it right. It's always crooked. But you probably know this already. There is a way to lay your card layers down and get it fairly straight and fairly accurate most of the time. I won't say every time, because every time I brag I end up making a fool of myself. So I'm going to show you. If you don't know already, I'm just going to show you how to do it. This is just something I've cobbled together. It's nothing I'm going to use. It's just so I can show you this technique. So got a couple of card layers there and my tape, and this just to cut the end off the tape. You'll see what I mean. So first of all, this needs to go on there. So all you do is put tape on all the way around the back of the panel that's going to be affixed, the small panel that's going to be affixed to the larger one, and then I just break it off using that. And I'll speed it up now so you don't have to suffer through me trying to get it right. That didn't go too badly. Sometimes it falls to bits or it tears in the wrong place. So what I'm going to do now is just make sure this is stuck down properly, because it doesn't peel up the best anyway. So it just needs to be, make sure that you stick it down really, really well. As I say, you probably know this technique even better than I do. It's been around for a long, long time. And then what you do, you see that's not stuck down properly. It does. The reason I got this tape is because it has a flap on either side that should just lift up and leave the sticky layer on. Does that? Yeah, that's done that. So what you do is just move it about an inch or so or less and fold it over like that, and just do that all the way around with each piece. Just make sure there's enough hanging over here that you can grab hold of. Right, hopefully this will work. And then what you can do is get it into position quite easily. And then all you do is start taking off the tape and pressing it down. There. And that was quite an eye-opener for me, because it means that I can use this up, which I was never able to before because I could never get it right. So I mean, alright, that's not perfect. I think it's because I didn't cut it straight, but that is so much easier than trying to struggle with glue that might dry too quickly. Or I use my ATG gun, but that's just sort of an instant stick and it's a lot more difficult. So now I'm going to put that on there using the same method, which I'll speed up for you. See, it comes off really, really easily. But to be honest, it's not quite as bad as I remember it. Perhaps I didn't really use it properly the last time. I mean, I've only used it once, and these bits wouldn't come up. Maybe it's because I hadn't pressed it down with my bone folder. But I have found that you can't really do it if you have a lot of dimension on the front, because it's quite hard to press it down. I always take off the top one first and then stick it down, and then hopefully the others should just fall into place. There. That is so much easier than just trying to get it stuck down first time. If you were to put on the tape and then peel the back off and then try and stick it down, it's a lot more difficult. I find that so much easier. So I hope that could help somebody. Like I say, you've probably seen this technique before. I'd seen it a few places and never really tried it, so I just thought I would give it a go, just to help somebody else who's possibly new, just starting out. Right, now for the giveaway. It's nothing much, but everything I'm going to show you is new, because I have so much stuff in my stash that I've never used. It's an absolute disgrace, and I'm ashamed of that. So I am going to either start selling it or giving it away. Just look on my website if you're interested in any more like bargain items. But the first thing is this circular bloom layering die set. I think this, yeah, Tonic Studios. I've never used it and it's not really my kind of thing. So it's 11 dies anyway. Just, you can create different kinds of frames with it. So I don't think I would ever use that, to be honest. The next, none of these that I'm showing you have been used. They're all brand new. Just check it. Yeah, that's never been opened, I don't think. I'll double check that. This is an embossing folder. That's never been opened. The reason I'm giving this away is because, like an idiot, I bought a duplicate. So I do have two of those, so I might as well give that one away. And this one, I think this was in a mystery pack or something like that. It's Sooty Icons and Sentiment A5 stamp set. Izzy Wizzy, let's get busy. Or those of you in the UK who remember Sooty, you might get a kick out of this. So I just thought it would be something nice. And last but not least, a teeny weeny little tub of embossing powder. It is golden egg. I don't know if you can see that, golden egg. So yeah, so that's the giveaway. And as before, all you have to do to enter the giveaway is just comment. Just make a comment below the video and that's it. That's all you have to do. And as the last time, I will show the process where the winner will be selected purely at random using software that I use. So if you're interested, just drop me a comment and that's it. You don't have to like, you don't have to subscribe, just put a comment. Thank you so much for watching and good luck. See you later. Bye for now.